Okay, OP coin, optimism coin. Pretty popular coin actually. I got a lot of comments and stuff about this one. So was looking for price to break this area, come back to it. Has not done it. I don't think we'll do it. So we're gonna have to readjust these. We're still short OP coin. Price is below this moving average. You can see it has recently done some bull structure though, so like higher highs, higher lows. So I wouldn't be in a huge this is not a guarantee short position. This is like if everything else lines up, because like I'm not about to, I mean it's overall bearish because it's below this moving average, but I mean I'm not about to just short this upwards momentum like this. But you can see as of these two days, a ton of bears are in the market, completely engulf this candle. Next one, boom. So and then since then hasn't even created any relative bull momentum. So I am looking to still short this. They're going to have to adjust some things here. Price really seems to be struggling to go up, so that's a good sign because we want to short this. There is an area here that I do like. You can see price came above, rejected, broke above, held above, came up, tried to go higher, couldn't go higher, came down, sat on top of this, came up, and then boom, broke through it, and has been sitting below it, still struggling. You got this 4-hour candle. It's only about 40 minutes into it, but it's engulfing. So now there's an area here that's been created and being upheld. So something like this little area here. I'm going to extend these a little bit, but you can see this candle wick is lower than this one, so you can see definitely some bearish momentum is here. It tried to go back up with the bulls, but it wasn't able to do so. You can see price comes up, retesting this area, pulling back. So I'm looking to short this. I'm trying to find a great entry though. So price is above this 4-hour moving average, so I don't like that yet. I would want price to break below this area first, probably like 153 kind of thing, and then I'm gonna draw this out here. This 153 area I like. 153. So if price breaks below 153, I'm gonna set an alert for this one. Then I'm looking to short this, and the reason being would be it's created really good price structure, and then so you got your lower highs and then your lower lows, and then you have momentum on your side. So price is broken below this 4-hour moving average. That would be good. Price is already below the 1-hour moving average, so that's good in my favor. So yeah, you just want to see this structure, this bear structure, really solidify. So I mean, we did have it here, boom, and then came into the zone, is now getting tighter and tighter. So now we want it to break that 153 area, and then we're looking for a short position. And then so once that breaks, I would actually probably set my stops just above this area as well, just because this is a liquidity zone. So price could break below this area and then pull up, and I could see price just like rocketing up and kind of filling all this area, and then just pulling right back and rejecting. But I don't want to get stopped out as price is trying to fill all its sell positions between these two zones. So something like this is super ideal. That's what I would like to see. And then as far as our take profits, I mean, we don't really have, this is kind of just your first area, which I don't really like because it's just not a lot of money in it. Like I'm not taking a 2R. It's too low for me to actually take that. So I would have to adjust some things. Once price breaks 153, I would have to really consider dropping my stop if I'm to use a stop, and really I got to make the trade worthwhile if I'm going to take it. And you know, but as far as like ranges and stuff, I mean, price is all, if you look at the monthly range for this coin, like last month was 65, month before that was 66, month before that was 84. So I mean, it says it does about $1, but I think that's kind of crazy. But if 1.8 is our high and it moves about 60 cents, it could do about $1.20 actually. So that makes me feel a lot better. So this would actually be your monthly range. We'll put this in here. What am I looking for here? So this is kind of your monthly range at 120. I'll move this over. 1.2 monthly low. Because that would give us, on a monthly perspective, that would give us about 60 cents in range. And then, yeah, that I like much better. This is a much better risk to reward, and it is within range for the month. So I don't really like to base my trades on more than a month time frame. And when I say a month, I mean like the perspective of August, so that entire full month. And so we're already 2 weeks into it. So this would be the rest of the month is from here to here. And then so that is my target, is $1.20 for the month. I think it'll break this area if there's enough momentum. And then I'm looking for, yeah, $1.20, because that would make my risk to reward much better. You're looking at over a 5 right now. So that I would take, and that is what I'm looking for. So we need price to break below this 153, close below it. A little bit of a retest would be fantastic. And then, yeah, enter the short position. Price will be below the 4-hour moving average. And then you'll have a nice engulfing bearish candle through this main area here, this $1.53 area. And then hopefully it just heads right down to $1.20, and then we can take our profits, and it's smooth sailing. That would be nice to see. So we're going to see how that plays out. I got my alert set for $1.53. Once price breaks below that, I'm going to enter a short position, most likely, and target this full monthly range, which is about 60 some cents, and hit that 120 area, which is right where all these candles align. So I like that a lot too. So that makes me feel good that everything's within range and everything looks like it's setting up good. So that's OP coin.